Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to talk about the Xiaomi's Ls01 Smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we're going to talk about the Haylou Ls01 Smartwatch from Xiaomi. So actually there's some confusion about this product, and some people don't even know it that it's from Xiaomi, and I tried to dig it a little deeper, and I found out that the Haylou smartwatch is a part of Xiaomi's. And yes guys, so I ordered it for my dad. At the moment it's already shipped, so hopefully we can get it next week. You can actually have that one in two different versions. So we've got the Chinese version and the other one is the global version. So you just have to be careful if you can't read Chinese, so you have to make sure that you've got the global version, or else you can't read it at all. Price of this guys, I bought this for about 1,200 pesos. That's roughly around $24 US dollars guys. I will put the link below about the shop in which I bought the Xiaomi's Haylou Ls01 smartwatch. Wow, it's pretty long name guys. I'm really excited about this because, as you know, that here in my channel we always talk about smartwatches that's below $20, and usually I even have $5 just smartwatch. Yeah, so, and I hope that you really liked it. Yes, because I actually do. This is our first unboxing of the smartwatch from Xiaomi. So, and the reason why I get it, it's because of the design. So yeah, it looks good, and I'm not so sure about the the build or the quality when we get it and when we see it firsthand guys. All right, so I don't want to talk anymore. I don't want to talk a lot, and I want to share with you the specifications, the details about this smartwatch. Alright, so here are the specifications guys. Alright guys, so those are the specifications of the Xiaomi's Haylou Ls01 smartwatch, and it looks really promising, and with the price I hope that it can really meet our expectations, because we want really an affordable smartwatch and also with a good quality. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions about the specifications, just comment down below and tell me your thoughts about this smartwatch, or if you have it, can you tell us about your experience so that people can know more about this product as well. Alright, and then guys, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and also consider subscribing. Alright, so once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you on my next video. And I will see you next week for the unboxing of the Ls01 smartwatch. Alright, so again, I'll see you soon.